Hey guys, Justin Russell with RussellMarineProducts.com here with a quick installation of our Yamaha VMAX SHO motor toter. So this will fit 2010 and newer 200, 225, 250 Yamaha VMAX SHO engine. So got the new cowling style here or the previous cowling style. We'll work on both engines here. Want to show you how easy this stuff is right here. So when you unbox it, it comes with the motor toter itself and two steering clips, one for each side of your hydraulic steering. The steering clips are designed to clip onto the motor toter, so after you take this off, you get to the lake or get home, mount your clips right there, throw it in a boat compartment, throw it in the truck. You always know where your steering clips are so you don't have to lose those or don't lose those for you. So first thing I like to do is I like to put the steering clips on first. So slide them up. We're just going to put them on our hydraulic steering cylinder. Now, the key to this is simply trim your engine up, slide these over your trim rams, trim her down, right there, hold it in place. Notice I didn't keep cranking down on my trim. Guys, we're wanting that to rest against it, be solid enough that the engine doesn't bob up and down when going down the road, but I'm not forcing it down and putting undue stress on my master tilt cylinder there. So again, no need to keep cranking this down. You'll actually blow the rubber out on the top of the motor toter there. So again, guys, very simple. Trim her down, right there, good to go. So be sure to check these out, RussellMarineProducts.com.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At RMP, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.